welcome back to my channel, Display of Color. I'm Scarlett, and we're going to be decorating some glass ornaments today. You can buy these clear glass ornaments to decorate yourself from Judy Jhsand. In the description box below this video, it will give you the information on how to purchase the heart that I'm decorating in here or egg ornament. And also for my subscribers, there is in my description box below a lovely 25% off discount code to get anything at colorart.com, which is the products I'm going to be using today to art with. So that way you can also get that discount code, put it in, and get 25% off anything you buy at colorart.com. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for all the notifications of any upcoming videos. And let's proceed. Today I will be using Vivid Enamel Gloss. It's a multi-surface acrylic medium gloss enamel. And you're just going to need a little bit of this with some Primary Elements acrylic powder. It's a powder paint, so it's a dry paint form, as well as these stipple brushes. You can get these at Amazon. This is a set I had. You can also use a sponge, probably, it would be best a little sponge or something to do this with. I take a stamp I use permanent black ink. It's called, the brand is Stays On with a Z, and I just inked up my stamp. And since it's rounded, the ornament, I just gently placed it, and I'm gingerly using my fingers to just kind of press the image to the glass. And permanent ink is alcohol based, so if you smear or mess up, all you have to do on glass is easily remove it with just some isopropyl alcohol. Even 70 proof would work. So I'm just putting my fingers to push down on the stamp and then trying to lift it. And I'm choosing to do a snowman. I also did this exact stamp when I engraved it, so you can check out that video as well, and when I was engraving on glass. And so that was Primary Elements Heavenly White. I'm going to use a Vivid gloss enamel, to mix that powder with to make it into a paint. And then I'm just painting it on right here onto the snowman. Just make sure your stamp is dry before you do this. You can also dry it with a heat tool if you'd like. So I'm just cleaning up with just water anywhere on the stamped ink that I didn't want. Again, I can use water on this ink and it won't matter. It doesn't remove the ink itself because only alcohol will. But it will lift the paint. Now I'm going to be doing the nose. And I'm using orange peel. I'll show you right there. These are all Primary Elements. Again, you can get it on the website colorart.com. In my description box below is the link to the website, as well as the discount code for all my subscribers to use to get 25% off. Just with a paintbrush and just putting it on the nose. Now I'm using cinnamon stick, and I will be painting the stick arms on the snowman with this color. And because it is glass, it does, you know, the focus does struggle, and I didn't want to, oh, this is interference I'm going to be using, red and gold for the backing. So again, just make sure your paint is dry. It dries pretty quick on its own. You can help it out with the aid of a drying tool like a blow dryer or a heat gun. And here's some more of the Glossy Enamel by Vivid. It's acrylic medium. And with the enamel, you're just going to use a little bit, a little dab will do you. And you're going to use the stippling brush or your sponge, whatever you have, and just stipple, stipple, stipple on it. And just get the enamel all over the ornament where you would like it. And then I'm just taking those interference colors of the gold and the red, and I'm putting it on the back dry, just with the powder itself dry on the back, I believe. I'm just pouncing it in because the enamel itself is wet, so I'm just doing the interference colors with just dry powder and pushing it in a little into the backing. And I proceed to do this exact same thing for each step with all the colors. Except for I mix them wet. I do the colors wet. So we have Ginger Peach and Persimmon, as well as Orange Peel. Those are the three colors I'm going to be using. And I show you, I dry this with the heat tool. So in between each process of adding color, I'm drying. I'm making sure it's dry 100% before I do the next coat of a new color. So off to the side, you see I make a little bit goes a long way. Just make a little bit, and then I add the powder to it. This is Orange Peel. And then I just add the powder to it, and then I'll do Ginger Peach second, and then the third little dollop of enamel that I use will be Persimmon. And so I just mix that powder into that enamel right there, and then I take my stippling brush and I just stipple it onto the ornament back of it. I just thought it was really neat to do a 3D, you know, kind of look. This specific technique was done by Leslie Olmsted on her channel. And she did the entire heart front and back of hers, and I just wanted to do just it halfway and then do something else on the front. But it's a beautiful technique, and I love that the frosted look that it gives. And they're just 100% gorgeous. And I have not honestly seen the shine off the way these shine on any other product that I've used. So they are pretty amazing to do, especially with stuff like this, you know, for the holidays and Christmas. I will be doing a Liquitex high gloss varnish as well on the paint. So that way it'll stay and it'll get really, really shiny, and it'll really, really show off Color Art's amazing bling of their product. That way, and it'll also keep it protected. You can also add fairy lights, and by removing the top and then adding the fairy lights on the inside, and then you could just hide the cord. Usually it's better operated like on-off switch in the tree itself. Alright everyone, happy arting and God bless. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe.